Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to look at the busiest intersection in Jamaica, and straight ahead the double overpass was built at this spot. Now this is the intersection of Spanish Town Road with Hagley Park Road, and this is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So why is it the busiest intersection in Jamaica? Well, basically it's a midpoint. If you get going from Portmore to downtown Kingston, this is the road you would take. If you're coming off the Portmore Expressway to get to Halfway Tree, this is the road you would take. So basically the busiest place in Jamaica is Halfway Tree, and Hagley Park Road leads you into Halfway Tree. If you want to get from downtown Kingston, which is probably the second busiest place, to Halfway Tree, you would go you would pass that intersection. If you want to get from Portmore to Halfway Tree, you would pass that intersection. So Mandela Highway, which is the busiest road in Jamaica, takes you onto Spanish Town Road, which takes you down to that intersection. So a lot of persons might think that the intersection of Mandela Highway and Washington Boulevard is the busiest intersection, but it's actually the Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road intersection. Also the wharf, to get to and from the wharf, you have to pass through that intersection. And there are a lot of communities between Washington Boulevard and Spanish Town Road. A lot of communities, thousands of homes. So with Halfway Tree being a major transportation hub and downtown Kingston being a major transportation hub, to access both, you have to pass this intersection here. So the lower road, or the lower overpass, is Spanish Town Road, and the higher overpass is Hagley Park Road. This project was built, or it was done by the Chinese company, China Harbor Engineering Company, and they actually did a very good job. And we have to commend the government too for building this overpass, because not only did they build this overpass, but they renovated Hagley Park Road, they renovated Marcus Garvey Drive, and they are in the process of renovating Spanish Town Road. They're just waiting on the pipes to be laid by Water Commission, and then the road is going to be paved over. So the government really has done an excellent job. And when we say government, we don't necessarily mean the one that's in power. Whichever government was in power when these roads were designed, whenever the project was put together, whenever the project was built, because the governments come and go during the life of these projects. Some of these road projects takes years, and it might have been started by one administration, and then the government changes, and then another administration finishes it. So when we say government, we don't necessarily mean the one in power, just whichever government was in power at the time. Alright, so that's the intersection. Now we're going to drive under the intersection. And just the traffic alone that you goes to the wharf, and with all the goods coming in, and you have the factories close by, that's another reason why this intersection is so busy. So we're actually going under the overpass now. So this would have been the original road, basically, before the overpasses were built. Okay, so Spanish Town is straight ahead, Portmore to the left, Halfway Tree you go right. And those are some of the busiest places in Jamaica. On the left is the Hunts Bay Police Station, and then on the left over here you have a lot of manufacturing facilities. A a lot of factories. Alright, straight ahead where you see those cranes, that's the wharf in Jamaica. It's actually the largest port in Jamaica. And you find the Kingston Container Terminal. That's the name of the port. But they just call it the Kingston Wharf. Okay, on the left is the Kingston Pen Aerodrome. And like a plane is about to take off, but the camera isn't going to catch it. Okay, so we're now on Marcus Garvey Drive. And this road was recently renovated. Very nice road. And you access the wharf from Marcus Garvey Drive. Marcus Garvey Drive also leads you to downtown Kingston. Coming up at this stoplight now, if we turn right, we'll go on to Newport West, and that will take us to the wharf. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.